In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear out your Instagram block list without having to unblock anyone. Now, let us first start by opening up our Instagram, and you can check your block list by going to your settings and activity and scrolling down till you see the block list under who can see your content. Now, I'm not one of those guys who have too many people on my block list and it's empty. So I'll teach you guys how you can just clear it out if you have too many people there. First, just go to your block list and take a screenshot of it. And after you've done that, just scroll down till you find the help center under more info and support. Now, after you're there, go to report a problem and tap on report a problem. Now, under report a problem, just explain your problem. Just say that I have too many people on my block list and I would like you to remove them. You can type something like this, and you can even elaborate further why you don't want to unblock them and something like that, and you can upload your screenshot right here. And after you upload it, just tap on send and you will get a report ticket, and after you get that, your problem will get solved in few days. So it's that simple, guys, and with that you will have cleared out your block list without having to delete or without having to unblock anyone. So that's all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more